Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You're watching Learn Programming by Lakisor YouTube channel. I hope you're enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest videos. In this video, you will learn why Java is platform independent. Java is an object-oriented programming language. Everything in Java is an object. Object oriented means we organize our software as a combination of different types of objects that incorporates both data and behavior. Then why Java is platform independent? First, let me define what is platform independent. A platform is the hardware or software environment in which a program runs. There are two types of platforms, software based and hardware based. Java provides a software based platform. Now let's come to the point why Java is platform independent. Java is platform independent because it is different from other languages like C, C++, etc., which are compiled into platform specific machines, while Java is write once, run anywhere language. A platform is the hardware or software environment in which a program runs. The Java platform differs from most other platforms in the sense that it is a software-based platform that runs on the top of other hardware-based platforms. Since Java code can run on multiple platforms, for example, Windows, Linux, Sun Solaris, Mac, etc., Java code is compiled by the compiler and converted into bytecode. This bytecode is a platform independent code because it can be run on multiple platforms, that is, write once and run anywhere. So that's why we are calling Java is a platform independent. So if you like our video, so please subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest technology videos. So thank you for visit.